Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. 3 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. Foreign Minister Osman Saleh delivered speech at non-aligned movement meeting. The global COVID-19 case and deaths still continue to rise. Small plane crash near San Diego leaves 2 dead and damages homes. The local news. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 3 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers and testing stations in the central and Gashbaka regions. Out of these, 2 patients are from quarantine centers in Asmara Central region and 1 patient from quarantine center in Adibara Gashbaka region. On the other hand, 4 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the central region have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly risen to 6,673, while the number of deaths stands at 43. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 6,758. Ministry of Health, Asmara, October 12, 2021. The Minister of Foreign Affairs of the State of Eritrea, Mr. Osman Saleh, delivered a speech at the 60th annual high-level meeting of non-aligned movement convened yesterday in Belgrade, Serbia. In his remarks, Minister Osman stated that the non-aligned movement was born at a critical juncture in history, a period of hope, enthusiasm, and vibrant energy. Speaking on the objective of the movement, Mr. Osman said the movement embodied the profound aspirations of the peoples of Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, South America, the Pacific, and other regions of the world for self-determination, for genuine sovereignty and territorial integrity, for independent path to political, economic, and social development, for equitable and just world order. Through much has been achieved by the non-aligned movement and its constituent nations over the last 6 decades, Minister Osman said the mission has not been accomplished yet and that the principles of Banan are routinely flouted and the world more unequal and unjust than ever. In his light, Minister Osman urged on the peoples and countries to the non-aligned movement to rededicate themselves to its vital principles and lofty goals, which remain highly relevant today, highlighting the need to strengthen the unity of their people ranks and act in concert in pursuit of their common vital interests and the cause of human survival and advancement. Minister Osman called for members of the movement to develop effective organizational mechanisms to address the myriad challenges and that the peoples and countries of the movement face and benefit from the vast opportunities that are available to them. Foreign Minister Osman Saleh finally said, as the world is undergoing profound change and transformation, a historic breakthrough is possible, even though it will not be easy, as the project of the movement will be resisted and fought tooth and nail by the privileged beneficiaries of the current unjust system. To that effect, the peoples and countries should integrate their critical mass of capabilities, a powerful blend of natural, human, and cultural capabilities, Minister Osman added. Likewise, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Osman Saleh, conducted a seminar to nationals residing in Italy focusing on the objective situation in the homeland as well as regional developments. At the seminar that was conducted on October 9, Minister Osman gave an extensive briefing on the national security, economic, political, diplomatic, and information programs in relation to the regional and global developments. Stating that the peace and stability in the region depend on mutual benefit, respect, and cooperation among the countries, Minister Osman discussed the significant role and contribution of nationals in the diaspora and national organizations in national affairs, and especially in public diplomacy. Mr. Osman also gave proper answers to questions forwarded by participants. At the seminar, nationals from Sicily, Abruzzi, Naples, Florence, Bologna, and other cities and areas of Italy took part. And now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. The global COVID-19 cases have exceeded 239 million, with the deaths toll hitting 4.8 million as of today. This according to latest data from World Meters. As intensified fight, a total of 6.3 billion vaccine doses have been administered across the world as of today, according to the dashboard. The confirmed COVID-19 case in the United States topped 45.3 million as of today, with the death toll surpassing 734,000, according to Johns Hopkins University. In Britain, more than 38,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, bringing the total coronavirus cases to more than 8.2 million, according to official figures released today. Russia confirmed more than 28,000 new COVID-19 cases over the past 24 hours, taking the national total to 7.8 million, this according to the official Monitoring and Response Center. A small aircraft crash blocks from a high school campus near San Diego yesterday, killing at least 2 people and injuring 2 others, while also destroying homes, this according to officials and local media. At least 2 homes appear to have been destroyed by an ensuing fire. The city of Santee, California, where the crash occurred. The plane, C-340 twin-engine Cessna, was headed to Yuma, Arizona, but had issues and was trying to land at Gillespie Field, which is near the high school, when it crashed. It was not immediately clear how many people were on board the plane. Several vehicles were burned, but firefighters were also put out the blaze before it spread to other houses. 2 deaths were confirmed and 2 other people were taken to a hospital. Houses burned as rivers of red-hot lava flowed from the Canberra Vegila volcano in Spain's La Palma today, a day after the eruption prompted a lockdown. Local emergency services instructed residents in the towns of El Paso and Las Llanos de Arellano to remain indoors and to shut their windows, shades, and air conditioning devices to avoid inhaling toxic fumes from the burning plant as it was being gradually swallowed by the lava. The eruption began on September 19 and has reached areas of almost 600 hectares. Torrents of molten rock have destroyed 1,186 buildings in the 3 weeks since the eruption. About 6,000 people have been evacuated from their homes on La Palma, which has about 83,000 inhabitants. A region of wildfire in Santa Barbara, California, burned large areas of land with 0% containment, forcing the closure of parts of Highway 101 and leading to evacuations, this according to local media. Last month, U.S. President Joe Biden approved a disaster declaration in California after a series of wildfires hit that state. The blazes have been stoked by sweltering, dry conditions that experts say are indicative of climate change during a summer fire season, shaping up as one of the most destructive on record. Now a reminder of the top stories. 3 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in 10 carried out today. Foreign Minister Osman Saleh delivered a speech at non-aligned movement meeting. The global COVID-19 case and death toll continue to rise. And small plane crash near San Diego leaves 2 dead and damages homes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.